Hi. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Hamilton-Stubbs, board-certified sleep specialist and a nutrition specialist. Welcome to the YouTube channel for drhamiltonstubbs.com. Today, I want to talk about the important role that sleep plays in your bodybuilding, muscle-maintaining strategies. So, when you are trying to build muscle or maintain muscle mass, it's important that you do some resistant exercises. You have to eat enough protein. Some people think at a certain time, and you also have to eat the right types of protein in the right amounts. But you also need to go to sleep. Sleep is very important because when we go to sleep, our body secretes a natural human bodybuilding protein called the growth hormone. Growth hormone is mostly secreted during slow wave sleep, which occurs during the first part of the night. So when you go to sleep, you're going to get growth hormone, which is important for repairing tissues and building tissues that may have been broken down and are trying to recover. But also during the second half of the night is when you're going to get your dream sleep or rapid eye movement sleep. When we go into dream sleep, our body is completely relaxed. The tension is gone, and this helps with muscle recovery also. This is a way that blood flow can go into the muscle and enhance that tissue repair. So when you want to build muscle or maintain muscle, try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep, a minimum of 5 hours, because anything 5 hours and less has been shown to be associated with loss of muscle mass. Eat your protein, do resistance exercise, make sure you're getting enough protein and the right types. If this video has been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this type of information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're giving information only and not medical advice. If you want tips on how to sleep better, check out my blog at drhamiltonstubbs.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.